If you want to enable or disable microphone for screen recorder on Samsung Galaxy A27, then usually you can do this before you start recording the screen. So if you open the screen recorder, then over here we have the setup, and here we have audio to record. Now if you want to use the microphone, you want to choose media and mic. And if you don't want to use microphone, you can choose either none or media, depending if you want media to be included or not. Unfortunately, we don't have an option to use just the microphone without the media. And then of course we can just start recording, and that's pretty much all. While you are recording, unfortunately you cannot enable or disable the microphone. So there's also a possibility to, or an option to find microphone settings for the screen recorder if you go to settings on your phone. And then if you go to advanced features, then over here you should be able to find screenshots and screen recordings. And then over here we have our settings, but as you can see they are not available once you are recording. So if you stop recording, then you can also decide if the microphone should be used or not. Leave a like and subscribe.